Hello, my name is Michelle Redmond, and I'm the person who created this video. Yay! The first app is called ThingLink, which is a video editing and annotation software / app. It will allow students to, like, if they're on a field trip, take pictures of things and make notes to, like, remember it and share it with the classmates, which is a really fun thing you can do. Or if there's, like, a science experiment, they can, like, take pictures of it and take notes directly on it. Now, there's also, it has this thing where it can be shared with other classroom software like Edmundo or Google Classroom, which makes it great for projects like, oh, hey, look, this is proof I completed this assignment. And it'd be a great way just to be like recording the students' everyday life and things like that. Now, Show Me is an interesting app. It's more like a note-taking app where, like, you can, it's like they open a blank page and you can write stuff on it, you can insert pictures, you can even record everything on the app, and it'll even record, but if you, like, leave the app that's still running, what's on, like, different things, which is a great way to, like, you know, introduce or, like, plan lessons, because you can be like, oh, I'll be absent this day, or, like, if a student's struggling with a concept and, like, needs it repeated often, you can record a lesson and show how the process is done, and then the student can watch it whenever they need. But also the student can take notes if they need it themselves. They can write it down. They can always edit the videos too. You can share videos like, oh, let's say like, oh, there's something I have to be and I can't be in the classroom today, like as a teacher I can make it upload to the computer and the students can watch it as I do it and explain it. And then they can take notes themselves on it because you can share it with them, so they can edit it on themselves. So they, like, if they notice something I missed, they can add it on. It's a lot like Google Docs in that way. It has a lot of interesting features in that sense. So for this one, I have two different versions of a very similar app. One of them is called Google Classroom, and the other one is Edmado. They are both classroom applications, which means you can create a classroom and like be a teacher and post notifications and assignments and quizzes and send notifications to students. And this is very helpful for students because they can see, oh, notifications like, oh, remember to like do this tonight, or remember, oh, there's no class today, like sending reminders like that, which is useful for teachers because sometimes people don't keep track of that information, or sending out, oh, by the way, school got canceled. It also helps post assignments so students can keep track of what to do, like, oh, this assignment's due, and like maybe they lose the paper that the assignment's on, because younger children don't always great at keeping track of stuff, and they can just check their app, see what they need, and parents can also keep track of what's going on in the classroom and like help out if they need and message teachers as well. It's a simple and easy application that will help manage and direct the class. Now, Toontastic is a video creating app, and it's a great way to introduce a storyline because when they go through the app, it actually shows beginning, middle, end, and introduces concepts like, oh, at the beginning is when you introduce setting and character, middle is when the problem occurs, and ending is the resolution. It also has a science report on where like they can make a visual report of a science project, which is a fun interactive way to get them more engaged in science and interacting, so they can create maybe a science report, a fiction story, or they can recreate an event that happened, or like you can make assignments, hey, record a story about an event that happened in your life, and it'll help them learn narrative and story based things.